thought I'd show this little Milner's safe lock. Really cool. B, serial 150893. Probably 100 years old, it's smooth as fuck. Take it apart. All proper solid, not like the junk you get now. Proper nice. Literally weighs half a kilo. Amazing. There's levers. Number 7. Number 6. Really sharp gates. These are damn good fun to pick. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. 2. Really sharp. Look at that. This is my first video for YouTube. I was just a bit bored out of my skull, so I thought I'd make a video. Everyone else does. Really cool. Big plate. $100 odd years old and it still runs perfectly. Absolutely fabulous. If you ever watch this gav, I'm not as good as making videos as you are, mate. I don't know if I can do it. You've got skills. Some key working. So the curtain's not straight, so it's not going to be very good. If we can get it. Yeah. Absolutely awesome. Doesn't make things like they used to. Obviously with the curtain in. Fuck it, I had to do that. Do that. Must be being clumsy. Smooth. This is a Milner's. I can see that one up. Liverpool. It's got a little B there. I don't know what date it is. I'm not quite sure. Heavy, heavy thing. 10 times better than most of the 90% of the, you know, crap you get nowadays. All the Euro profile junk. Proper quality. Why can't they make things like they used to?